Working with chain spaces. Now I'm going to show you how to work with a chain space when the instructions tell you to work over the chain space. What that's basically telling you to do, here's my big chain space here. Now it could be a chain of 1, it could be a chain of 50, it depends on what pattern you're working. But when it tells you to work over your chain space, it means you're going to enclose this chain with your stitches. So yarn over, I'm just going to make some double crochet. Here's my first free stitch into the stitch and completely enclosing the chain. You see how the green thread is wrapping around the chain, and then I'm going to make my stitch, whatever stitch required of you in the pattern. Let's do another one. Yarn over into my next stitch, wrapping my yarn around that chain as well as into my stitch, my designated stitch, and I'm enclosing it. Now the different colors help you to see that I have in fact covered or caught my chain. It is not free on either side. It is completely enclosed in my stitch work. See that? That is working over a chain. Now, most of the time designers will be very careful about colour placement so that you can't see that if they don't want you to see that. Sometimes they'll do it deliberately, change colour so you can see it. It adds a pretty little pop of colour in between the stitches as well. So just do what you're told in the pattern. It's always the best policy, I find. Designers have a plan in mind, and let's give them the benefit of the doubt and just do what they tell us to do. But that is working over a chain. Completely enclosed. Unlike other chains, this one is working behind. This one is working in front of. Those chains are free, but this one is not. Working over your chain space, enclosing it. That's all for now.